What if typing was actually fun and created a personalized path automatically? Welcome to a whole new way to level up your typing. Typing Agent's Blizzard Type Essentials, the coolest place to type. Whether you're teaching 50 students or 50,000, Blizzard Type Essentials scales right with you. One classroom, one school, or a whole district. Every student gets a path that fits where they are. When students jump in, they're not just practicing. They're dropping into snowy worlds built for different grade levels, where learning feels more like the next run, and progress starts to click naturally. Pretty cool, right? Here's where things really shift. Other programs send every student down the exact same trail. Typing Agent's Blizzard Type Essentials adjusts in real time. Students move forward when they're ready, based on accuracy, speed, and mastery. That means no getting left behind, and no sitting around waiting for the next run. While Blizzard Type is doing a lot behind the scenes, it stays simple for teachers. You'll get all the customization you could want without piling on extra work. Everything runs automatically in the background, so you can stay focused on teaching, not chasing setup screens all day. Students stay locked in with short lessons, real-time feedback, and just the right level of challenge. With all the Blizzard details and built-in gamification, they won't just learn. They'll actually have fun doing it. I know what you're thinking. Typing practice that students actually like? Wild, I know. But here we are. And no ads. Because, let's be honest, free usually comes with a catch. Blizzard Essentials is also built with student safety in mind, so your data stays protected. At the same time, you've got full visibility. Track progress at every level, from individual students all the way up to the district. Because every student deserves a chance to thrive, Typing Agent's Blizzard Type Essentials is designed with accessibility in mind, so all learners can access, engage, and succeed. So where does all of this lead? Students build accuracy first, then speed, and eventually real-world typing skills they'll use across every subject, and way beyond the classroom. So yeah, you're ready. You've got this. Stay steady, and let's ride.